Rise and shine. This is the garden day you didn't know you needed. And baby, this is the heat I know I don't need. Just got done doing a morning check and watering everybody. Try to give everything a good shake to get the water, all that excess water off the leaves, because I am out here rather late in the day. This is very late for me. It's about 2 something in the afternoon, and I'm usually out here in the morning. I try to get out here most days before 9 o'clock, definitely before 11. So this is extremely late. The sun is out, child, so I don't want it burning up the leaves and whatnot. So that's why I do a little shake. And it also helps, like, if there's any little pests on there, disturb them and get them up off there too. Y'all know how we do. We gotta do a look through and see what's new. Look at our marigold. It's so pretty. Coming back into bloom. An update on our watermelon. And after some research and asking around, yeah, I think it is officially safe to say that this baby is pollinated, simply because it's still here. Like, that's it. That's the main reason. That's how you know, okay? Because if it wasn't, it would have died off by now. I don't think it would have even gotten that big, to be honest. I did see there's another little tiny one, but I don't know about that one. Let me see if I can find. Oh, here it is. Yeah, nah, that one looks like it's already yellowing up. That baby did not get pollinated whatsoever. We got a male flower here, but it's not happening in sync enough. By the time we get a female flower on there, the males are either closed or already dying off, like so. So I've been taking them, the male flowers, every now and then, plucking them off and saving them. See, look, we had another one right there. I don't think anything is happening with that either, y'all. But hopefully there'll be more. There'll be more to come. So we ain't gonna stress about it. I'm gonna go ahead and save that for any future female flowers that come along. But y'all, come look at this. Come look at this. The nerve. The goddamn nerve. Not you having another baby. You ain't even done raising this one. Like, this one's not even a full foot tall yet. What are we doing? Why are we doing this? I don't need grandchildren. I need bananas. Lord help. But hey, I guess that means she's very happy. Very damn fertile. Here's an update on the seeds that I planted. We got the pak choy sprouting. We got a couple zinnias sprouting. Some things look a little sad in here because I did just water them. No 4 o'clock sprouting yet, but we do have some broccoli sprouting. Lots of broccoli sprouting. Very happy about that. Now the real question is, where's all this gonna go? I have a plan in mind, but I do need to buy more soil. Yeah, immediately, because like these need to come about these pots. They are ready. I'm still heavily considering putting one of these in this spot over here. I probably should just do it and get it over with, but I'm like so hell-bent on really like trying to give this one a chance, but it ain't doing nothing but this, and I'm not gonna be fighting this all summer long. We've got our pigeon pea plant that is putting out every leaf known to man, but no pigeon peas. I don't know, y'all. Is it okay for me to cut this back, or will I be lessening my chance of getting pigeon peas even more? The watermelon plant is making its way up this trellis pretty quickly, and before you know it, it'll need to be coming around the bend. This baby is kind of in the way, friend. You know, the sunflowers are now taller than the trellis. Let's see how tall it is compared to me. This is how tall it is compared to me. It's like, y'all, is that my chin? Ooh, y'all, look. I don't even know if I'm gonna show y'all because it might jinx it. It looks like there's about to be some beans coming up out of there, if I'm not mistaken. And I surely hope that I'm not mistaken. Baby, I'm ready for some beans. My first time growing beans. It's like they want to push through, but the heat. Tell me I know that song. So it just got done raining. You know I love that. And I just got done checking on the garden. And y'all, look at what we got here. We've got another female flower. It's got a fruit on there. And it's looking mighty good, mighty healthy. Mighty much like it might stay around. I did do some hand pollination, so I hope and pray that it worked. Our banana plant put out a whole new leaf here. It's putting out a lot more leaves since I put it out here, so that tells me that it's very happy. And look at my grandbabies. It's grandbaby one, and the nerve, putting out another one. Girl, and look at this. No, I mean, like, exactly. How did we get here? When did we do this? It's like just as tall as me now. And look, the heads are here, honey. We are gonna have sunflowers in full bloom soon. I am so hype. Y'all, I've tried to grow sunflowers at least 3 or 4 times and failed. So this right here is a major win. I feel like that girl. We have quite the amount of fruits trying to happen on this zucchini, but these male flowers need to like come on with it. Okay, I need everybody to just open up so I can go ahead and pollinate and get my zucchini before the squash vine board gets here and decimates every fucking thing. Okay, need y'all to come on with it, please and thank you. And that's for you. Okay, because you're putting out every single leaf known to man, but no pigeon peas. Honey, you have until September to show me that you want to be here. Okay, because these leaves of yours sure would make for some good mulch. Okay, you will become mulch if you don't tighten up. Thank you. Y'all, look at what my neighbor gave me. It's a papaya plant and a bag of peaches. I'm so excited about this. Y'all, how long this gonna take? Cause y'all know me, I hate sitting around waiting for years for some shit to pay up. She has a bunch of these cause she just put some seeds in a pot and like they all just were sprouting. She's had this one for some time now, so it's a little mature. A little grown. Love that. Okay, got a good head start. And she was like, yeah, you know, you can have this one because you grow stuff nice. So I'm sure, she said, I'm sure it'll be a big boy soon, is what she said. Oh my God. A whole papaya tree? That's love right there. That's love. And a bag of peaches, y'all. What? Time for me to order some more oatmeal so I can enjoy these. I'm probably gonna freeze some, to be honest, because I don't see myself making it through this whole bag before they go bad. Because I like peaches, but like not that damn much. So yeah, I'll probably chop some of these up and freeze them. So we'll have some frozen peaches and some frozen mangoes. You should already know how that go. We gonna put it in the fruit patch. Let's go. Here she goes. Right next to the mango plant. Oh my God, they're so freaking works. Now, eventually I will put these out in the front instead because there's more sun over that way for a longer period of time. But I want them to be a little bit more established before I go ahead and do that. I think maybe once the summer's over, I can go ahead and get both of them potted up, and then we can put them out front next to the banana. Some of the fruit patch will be migrating, well, pretty much all of the fruit patch will eventually be migrating to the front. That's it for now. That's the update. I'm so excited, y'all. Yeah, I just gave the lemongrass a haircut. One of my all-time favorite scents and herbs. The best time of the year is when the lemongrass jar starts filling up, and that time is now. Do y'all remember when the spinach plant was all the way out here, blocking what once was a sunflower, and I cut it all the way back? Yeah, look who's making its way back on out. Definitely time to do a big old harvest on this spinach. Definitely gonna happen sometime this week. Y'all, look at this comfrey. It's freaking humongous. I also did not know that they have variegated leaves like this. Is this a normal thing? Someone let me know. It's kind of happening on this leaf too. It's my first time growing comfrey, as well as mullet, and these leaves are huge as well. Here's another mullet plant. It's still in this little container here for now. As I begin to flip things for the fall, things will get out of these little pots. It won't even be a flip for real. It's more like another extension. The plan is, okay, you probably didn't know this, but I actually do have a green stalk. I have a green stalk. It's just currently not in use. Do you mind? Okay, thank you. So the plan is to fill the green stalk up and plant all these extra things in there, to basically plant the fall garden in there, as well as in this garden bed here, because there's still plenty of space in this garden bed to make some things happen. I do also have some grow bags that I could put stuff in. I don't really want to bring those back out. Maybe like 2, and they'll go in the front. I already have these 2 out, so I'm thinking this one here will just go in the front. And then this one, it really just has soil in it that I use to put dirt in pots that I'm gonna plant seeds in, or like if I see something needs to be healed up or it needs more dirt, that this is where I get it from. These 2 are already out, so I think those are the 2 that'll get filled up with some things and put out in the front. Things are gonna be shifting and moving within the next month or 2, for sure. Yeah, that's what I was mentioning earlier when I said I definitely need to buy a bunch of soil, because, honey, it takes quite a bit to get these green stalks filled. I don't even know if I'm going to fill up all 5 tiers. I might as well, right? Because my goal is to get at least 50. This is why I don't be vlogging back here like that. I be in the front. Child, anyway, my goal is to get at least 15 more things growing in here that are readily available to harvest, that I no longer have to buy from the grocery store. So that way I can have a total of 30 things in this garden that are ready to harvest and another many laughing, as we said. So I really should just go ahead and utilize all of those pockets. We'll see. Like, I'm just gonna be purchasing what's within my means and making that work. If it's 3 tiers, then it's just 3 for now until I can get what I need to get the other 2 filled and to get these garden bags filled up. Garden bags, grow bags filled up. Definitely gonna have the 2. Might break out another 1 or 2. I really don't want like so much going on back here because I like having space to walk. And so honestly, like all these little pots that are out in front of these garden beds, I want to get them in the beds or in the green stalks or in the grow bags so that way they're like out the way. Yeah, that's the plan. It's such a beautiful, calm, quiet day out here in the garden. Everything's looking really good. Just did a quick little basil harvest. Make some tea with these and use some in my lunch today to make a nice little salad. Smells so good. Love the smell of basil. Basil and lemongrass. I chopped this lemongrass back just yesterday. I've got that drying out a bit so I can cut it up and put it in my little lemongrass jar. I also took the tomato plant that I had in here. I took that out. I chopped it. The bottom half was looking terrible. And I replanted it right over there. Let me get my shovel. This arugula is coming along over here. I'm loving that. Looks really good. Our butterfly pea flower is looking really good. Way happier in this spot where there's a little more shade. And I moved the shampoo ginger over here in this spot where it's still very shady, but it's getting a little more sun than it was when it was sitting over here. And it's looking really good. The little cones on it are getting bigger, getting taller, putting out a lot of flowers. Yes, those weird looking tongue things are the flowers. It's spreading out a bit, so I think it's pretty happy there. And y'all, for the first time all summer, I am just out here. I don't even have on my garden hoodie. I'm in my robe and my Crocs, and I haven't been bitten not once by a mosquito. So that's a great sign. It makes me feel like my efforts are working, and I'll be utilizing my sitting space in no time. So happy. Like, this is a perfect day actually. I think I'm gonna make a breakfast, even though it's dead ass afternoon, but I slept in. So I'm gonna make a smoothie. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna make a smoothie, make me a little sandwich, put me a little salad on there, and I'm gonna come out here and sit and enjoy the garden while I can. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now, you don't understand. I am sitting in my garden. I'm sitting in my little chair set with my cute back pillow. I have not done this all year. So I am just so happy that I could just sit here and enjoy the view. And it's not like deathly hot out here. It's definitely warm, not too humid. Like, this is a beautiful day. And I'm so glad I get to sit out here and enjoy this. And I got my smoothie. I feel like Jody's mama, y'all. I do. I feel like Jody's mom. This is it right here. This is the life. Everything looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Look at my view. This is my view. Everything looks so nice. Everything looks so good. Peaceful. Got the birds chirping. The leaves swaying. This is nice. This would be a great beach day. I'm relaxing, kicking my feet up in the garden, y'all. Loving it.